Hi, I am Manish Kumar and today we will talk about Power BI. So this is our Power BI desktop tool. So today in this video we will know that what is Power BI. So Power BI is a Microsoft's powerful business intelligence tool that helps you analyze, visualize and share data easily. So Power BI basically is a data visualization and a business intelligence tool by Microsoft, and it helps you connect to multiple data sources like Excel, SQL, cloud services and many more. Now it is used to clean and transform data, build interactive dashboards and reports, share insights with your team or clients online. Now why Power BI is important? So companies today deal with tons of data. Power BI makes it simple to understand and present the data in a way that helps in decision making. That's why it's one of the most in demand tools for data analysts and business analysts.